Bear markets are where the best opportunities can be found, and there have been plenty of interesting developments in the crypto and blockchain space recently. The fortunes of Ether holders might soon be changing for the better. According to head of Forex and crypto research at Standard Chartered Bank, Jeffrey Kendrick, we could see Ethereum retest the $4,000 price level by the end of 2024. What's more, Kendrick says that Ethereum could reach $8,000 by the end of 2026 and proceed to climb to between $26,000 and $35,000, a price range Kendrick identifies as Ethereum's long-term structural valuation. Standard Chartered's lead analyst believes that the reasons for the massive price increase are gaming, tokenization, upcoming BTC halving, and regulatory breakthroughs that might lead to the launch of an Ethereum ETF in the US. Until October 30, users can earn Neutron tokens on Binance simply by staking BNB or the TUSD and FDUSD stable coins. The staked coins can be withdrawn at any time. In addition to featuring the Neutron project on its Launchpool platform, Binance has also listed the NTRN token for trading on their exchange. Neutron is a crypto project that's building in the Cosmos blockchain ecosystem. The project is creating a smart contract platform that derives its security from the Cosmos hub. According to the TON ecosystem report for the third quarter of 2023, the number of Toncoin accounts has surged by over 250% in the past year. Other key metrics that have improved significantly include on-chain active wallets and the number of assets, valuables stored on the network. While the number of daily transactions continues to fluctuate, the stats are generally encouraging. With an average of 174,658 transactions per day, there is no sign of slowing down. In line with the ultimate objective of the network, the Pi Network core team has announced that it will release a milestone-based roadmap for products and programs scheduled to be deployed in 2 versions. The soon-to-be-released Pi Network roadmap will capture past achievements, ongoing projects, and future undertakings. Though it won't cover the timeline for the Open Mainnet release, it will capture relevant milestones leading up to the Open Mainnet. The first version of the Pi Network roadmap is expected to release in mid to late October 2023, while the second version is planned for December. Stellar has recently expanded its off-ramp ecosystem with the addition of 2 innovative cryptocurrency wallets. These wallets are the Beans app wallet and the Boss Money wallet. The new development opens up new opportunities for cross-border transactions and financial access. Notably, the wallets have been integrated into the Stellar Disbursement Platform or SDP. The Beans app has been designed to function as a money transfer app that will enable easy and convenient access to users' funds. With a focus on financial access across Africa, Boss Money allows users to perform a wide range of financial activities, including currency conversion, bill payments, and sending funds globally.